is Komatsu excavator, Komatsu PC210 asset. This machine you will see everywhere, wherever you go. I will show you the functions of this excavator, how to use it. This is called cut-off lever. This is switch on of this machine. This function. That one is for RPM of the machine. Once you click that, it will go out. And now this button is for when you go this way, it will move excavator around toward us. When you move this way, when you move it this way, it will go, excavator will go that way. This way, excavator will घुमाउन स्विङ गरौँ ल यतापट्टि स्विङ गरौँ. You can see the excavator moving. And now another function. If you move forward, that arm will close. When you move it forward, arm will go forward. When you move backward, पछाडि यसलाई when you move backward, arm will come toward you. And that function is for closing the bucket. You see bucket closing. And now another way, you see the bucket opening. And now when you push it backward, if you push that lever backward, it will go up. When you push that lever downward, it will come down like this. You see it coming like this, downward like this. These are the functions of excavator. When you move that paddle upwards, it will come forward toward us. Simple functions of excavator.